Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Sagittarius, fire sign. This reading is about your person's current feelings and their intentions towards you. Okay, for the month of March. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone, so take what resonate and leave the rest. So let's see your person's current feelings towards you. Sagittarius, your person's current feelings. So this could be long distance relationship. You both are in Sagittarius. You are your person, and Wheel of Fortune. Maybe they're waiting for the right time to communicate with you. Maybe for some you are in no contact situation. Maybe for some family issues. But your person waiting for to communicate with you. They're thinking about right time. They want to give clarity because Ace of Swords, truth coming out, communication and clarity. They want to give communication and clarity, but they are waiting for the right time. Wheel of Fortune. Yeah, I think divine timing plays key role, and the world. For some, the same cycles repeating between you and your person again and again, and lots of you are in long distance relationship with your person. I want one more clarification card for the world card. Yeah, they are thinking about communication, their feelings. Yeah, maybe they're thinking about there are some misunderstandings between you and your person. Maybe you are their family. There are some misunderstandings are like disturbances between you and your person, but they want to clear that and they want to communicate with you. They want to clear the air between you and your person, but in divine timing. Maybe they're waiting, patiently waiting for the divine timing or right timing. Yeah, and the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So these are your person current feelings. They are waiting for communication to communicate with you. Maybe they are waiting for right time. They are waiting for right time to communicate with you and to clear the air between both of you. Maybe you are waiting for them to reach out, Sagittarius. So let's see their intentions. In some cases they will do actions or not. Intentions means in some cases they will do. Depends on your situation. Okay guys. So let's see their intentions towards you. These are their feelings. They want to communicate with you and they want to fix the things between both of you. So Sagittarius, let's see your person intentions towards you. Five of Swords 2 times came in this reading. Yeah. Nine of Cups under the deck. So they're wishing for this connection. They want to be with you. You are their wish fulfillment, Sagittarius. So what I'm seeing here, 10 of Pentacles with 5 of Swords and King of Cups. Your person really want to take this relationship to next level. And but there are some issues. Definitely there are some issues between both of you. Maybe you both could be friends also. Maybe you both could be in relationship, but one family or both families are not accepting. For some it could be third party involved also in this connection. There are some issues in this connection. Your person want to clear those issues between both of you, and they really want to offer stability because 10 of Pentacles. They want to offer stability to this connection and they really want to take this relationship to next level. And King of Cups is here. They have so much love for you. Yeah, they have so much love. That's why they're waiting for the right time to communicate with you. So in near future definitely they will communicate with you, and you will receive some communication, truth communication from your person, and they have so much love for you, Sagittarius, King of Cups. For some, your person is not expressing their feelings to you, but they really have so much love for you and they really want this happy life with you. 10 of Pentacles. They want stability in this connection. But there are some disturbances, but they're wishing that They want to be with you. You are their wish fulfillment. So let's pull some cards from universe. Outcome. Again, King of Cups. Yeah. Three of Pentacles. Definitely this relationship is going to be next level under the deck. And Queen of Pentacles. I think you are very caring and giving person, very loving person. They know about that. That's why they're taking their time to take this relationship to next level. I think this relationship is going to be next level. Even though it is taking time, it is worth. It is worth waiting for, Sagittarius, because the Emperor, your person is ready to take this relationship to next level. And Queen of Pentacles, it's you. Maybe you're in, meanwhile you are concentrating on your career, you are creating more money, Sagittarius, but they're coming back with King of Cups, and they really have so much love for you. I'm seeing it, and they want this partnership with you, and they want to be with you forever, no matter what. Yeah, in this deck, under the deck, the Fool, they want brand new beginnings with you. Definitely near future they will reach out to you through communication, and they really want to fix the things between both of you. So the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's see some message for you from Moon Oracle deck, Sagittarius. They're coming back. Even though they are taking it very slow, but this time they are very, very serious about you. This time they want to take this relationship to next level, because they are wishing for you, because you are a very loving person. They don't want to miss this opportunity this time. That's why they are taking their time to come towards you, because they have so much love for you, Sagittarius. So be patient. Patience is the key also in this connection, because Wheel of Fortune is here. Divine timing. So let's see your message from Moon Oracle deck. The answers you need are coming. Bring love into the situation and work through your fears. So let's see your messages. So the answers you need are coming. So Sagittarius, the answers you need are coming. Definitely they will approach you, don't worry. And meanwhile, I think you are concentrating on your career. You are investing energy on yourself. I think you are getting more money in these recent times. You are creating, maybe you are doing extra work. You are getting more money from different forms. Maybe for some you are getting new job also. So the answers you need are coming definitely. If you are waiting for your person to come back, they are coming back. But it will take some time. Be patient, because they are thinking about how to approach you, because they are taking their time to solve the things between both of you. And the other, bring love into the situation, when especially new moon in Aquarius. So if they approached you, don't show your ego or attitude, whatever maybe you have in some cases. When they come back to you, so bring love into the situation. Talk to them with love, because this is the message from universe. Bring love into the situation also, very important when they approach you. And work through your fears. So if you're having any fears, but you are not walking through, so this is the message from universe, especially when new moon in Scorpio. So you have to walk through your fears. So when you are able to walk through your fears, you will become free from those energies. Then you will achieve anything in your life, because those energies will bring you down day by day. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you, Sagittarius. So please do share, like and subscribe my channel, and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you. Thank you so much.